Today, we're delving into the realm of website building, with a showdown between Google Sites and Squarespace. These platforms offer powerful tools to create stunning websites, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's explore their key attributes and help you choose the right one for your next web project.
Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Google Sites features include simplified interface. Google Sites boasts a straightforward interface, making it ideal for users who prioritize ease of use and simplicity on website creation. Seamless integration with Google services. With Google Sites, users can leverage seamless integration with other Google services like Drive, Docs, and Calendar, streamlining content creation and collaboration. Responsive design templates. Google Sites offers a variety of responsive design templates, ensuring that your website looks great across different devices and screen sizes. Collaboration capabilities. Google Sites enables real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit and contribute to a website simultaneously. Squarespace features include stunning design templates. Squarespace offers a vast collection of professionally designed templates, providing users with visually stunning options to create unique websites. Robust e-commerce features. Squarespace excels in e-commerce functionality, offering built-in tools for online store creation, inventory management, and order processing. Customization options. Squarespace provides extensive customization options, allowing users to tailor their websites with advanced styling features and third-party integrations. Marketing tools. Squarespace offers integrated marketing tools like email campaigns, social media integration, and SEO optimization, empowering users to reach their target audience effectively.
Google Sites is free to use with a Google account, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. In contrast, Squarespace offers tiered pricing plans, starting from $12 per month, with additional features and e-commerce capabilities included in higher-tier plans. Google Sites offers a straightforward user experience, particularly for users already familiar with the Google ecosystem. However, Squarespace provides a more polished and professional interface, catering to users who prioritize aesthetics and design flexibility. Google Sites offers a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Google services, making it an ideal tool for beginners and users already invested in the Google ecosystem. Its collaborative editing capabilities facilitate teamwork on website projects. However, Google Sites has limited design options and customization features compared to Squarespace. In contrast, Squarespace stands out with its stunning design templates, robust e-commerce features, and extensive customization options, catering to users who prioritize aesthetics and flexibility. Nevertheless, Squarespace comes with a higher cost compared to Google Sites and may have a steeper learning curve for beginners.
Alternatives to Google Sites and Squarespace include platforms like Wix, Weebly, and WordPress, each offering unique features and pricing structures to suit different website building needs.
In conclusion, both Google Sites and Squarespace offer powerful tools for website creation, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a free and easy-to-use option with seamless Google integration, Google Sites may be the way to go. However, if you prioritize stunning design, advanced customization, and robust e-commerce capabilities, Squarespace emerges as the clear victor.
Sign up for Google Sites or Squarespace today to kickstart your website project. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and tips, and thank you for watching.